What is up? Welcome back to a trade recap, guys. Today was quick, one and done. We have been seeing this pattern of trades play out over the past few weeks, over and over and over again. People have started calling it the Patty swing. Me personally, I know it as a Jewish fake out. Shout out TGR for that one, but yeah, I know it as the Jewish fake out. So what do I see? Coming into the day, basically, there wasn't a whole lot on the higher time frames. I saw we were expecting this tiny little 4-hour gap right here, like super small. And then from there, the one thing I did notice was, sorry, one sec. Oh, we're on the daily right now, so it's a daily gap. My fault. On the 4-hour. All right, this is where everything's going on. So what I see on the 4-hour, well, I saw that, I believe it was, yeah, so it was right, I forget. Well, I might be stupid. All right, well, we had bearish SMT here. It is older SMT, but I mean, still something. The other thing was I did see was that I forget what time it was, but there was bullish SMT down here with these lows here. ES or NQ failed to take this low right here, but ES did. But to be honest, I wasn't super confident in price going or holding that bearish SMT or bullish SMT basically. So yeah, so here, because yeah, so 8, that's 9. Yeah, so before price took this out, it was pre-market price and never took this low. So there's two draws for me today, was these highs here if we were looking for longs, or if we were looking for shorts, it was literally down to this low here. And then from there, what do we see? I mean, obviously you look for, you know, P rays getting disrespected, respected, all that. There wasn't a whole lot here. We disrespected this 1 hour. Yeah, 30 minute, there wasn't really much anything here. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so here is basically what the trade was. I saw there was a 50-minute gap right here, right? What happens? Market opens up. Hold on, let me just, there we go. What happens? Market opens up. All right, and we see that there was I believe there's an SMT with that too, because ES failed to take this. Yeah, so that same gap, ES did not take it. So right there we have bearish SMT, and it's internal because it's like it's happening in real time. So right now I'm looking for these lows here, and yeah, from there we had bearish SMT. And then it was a 30-second inversion I took. I don't have the 30-second chart on TradingView. I use like Tradevate for that, but either way, candle closed right here. Very good displacement on the 30-second. You'll see, like if you guys saw it in real time, like the displacement on it was very good. Got really good displacement. Also, I believe was there SMT here? Yeah, there was. So on top of the SMT with the 15-minute, there was also internal SMT right here because ES didn't, NQ failed to retake this high here, but ES actually ended up taking it. So again, right there, we had more SMT. So I'm looking for shorts, 30-second inversion, super clean displacement. I enter, went into a bit of drawdown, but nothing crazy. Eventually delivered break even at this low here. Targeting this low down here. This was super like obvious. I think this was so obvious. Like, I know people were looking for longs just because of that fucking 4-hour gap, this, that, bullish SMT, but I just knew. I just had a feeling we were gonna go and retake those lows, and we did exactly that. The other thing is I want to mention, something I really look in the Jewish fake out or the Patty swing, whatever the fuck, market open manipulation basically. The one thing I really look for is like the manipulation at open. So when open happens, that's 9:30, new 30-minute candle. Guess what? That's a new manipulation on the 30-minute that can happen. So I used to trade heavily on the 4-hour power of 3. Now I still do. 10 a.m. manipulation is still very much a thing. But if we're looking pre 10 a.m., I'm looking at the 9:30 manipulation. And basically what that is 9:30 a.m. opened. What happened? We manipulated higher into a PD array, and that was true manipulation because it went inside of a PD array. Whether that is a fair value gap, or if you guys use order blocks, breakers, whatever the fuck, doesn't matter. As long as it manipulates inside a PD array, that is true manipulation. If this manipulated into nothing, right, I probably would not have taken this trade because there was nothing to, it wasn't true manipulation. Anyways, so we open, manipulate higher, and got displacement down here, and we dumped, and it closed lower, I believe. Yeah, so 10 a.m. closed down here somewhere. Classic open, high, low, close. So that is basically how I caught 69 points off market open today, or off market open manipulation. Honestly, guys, back test this shit, because lately this shit has been like crazy. We'll just get like a manipulation at 9:30, and then we'll get a quick inversion with heavy displacement, and it just rips to TP. It's been amazing lately. But yeah, that's all I really have for you guys today. I understand if you faded this trade. I do understand some people don't like trading that close to market open. Me personally, I don't mind it. I personally don't mind it. But yeah, that's all I really got. Luckily I caught this trade, because honestly I would have hated myself having to wait through all of this. Like, look at this shit, bro. The market has been so damn volatile lately. It's insane. Like, look at this, bro. We have 2 candles here that are 150 points. Same here. Look at these 2 candles right here, 125 points. The market's been absolutely insane. I have never seen anything like this. I'm going on 2 years of trading, probably at the end of the year, and bro, I've never seen the market like this. It's crazy. But yeah, that's all I really have for you guys today.